What's up guys, hope you're all doing good. Now this is going to be a really short video but definitely a very useful one. Now even though we have discussed a number of different methods on how we can edit the length of our clips in the source monitor and then bring those clips over to our timeline, but there will be awful lot of times when you will have to make modifications within your timeline, and I always do that. When we looked at the razor tool in one of the previous videos, and if you haven't watched that video, I would definitely recommend you to watch that because razor tool is one of the most useful tools when you're editing your videos in Premiere. Now in that video we briefly touched upon the ripple delete functionality. So in this video, in this tutorial, we will be discussing the ripple edit option. So if I want to trim this clip on my timeline, it is pretty straightforward and it's very simple. I can just do it by hovering my mouse over it, but then I also have this empty space that I have to delete. It is fine if you have like one or two clips in your sequence, but imagine how painful and time consuming it's going to be if you have got like 20-25 clips on your timeline. Now I'm going to undo this by Command Z or Control Z if you are in Windows. Premiere gives us the ability to ripple edit, and the way it works is that I am going to select this ripple edit tool from the tools bar by clicking on it, or I can simply use the keyboard shortcut which is the letter B. Then all I have to do is trim my clips and my sequence will be adjusted accordingly. Premiere is going to look after that all for me. I won't have to go in and delete delete any kind of empty space separately. So guys, that's how easy it is to use the ripple edit functionality. And it is definitely a big time saver, especially if you're working on big projects. I hope you liked this video guys, and if you got any questions, if there's anything you're not sure about, feel free to drop your comments in the comments area and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not going to see you in the next video, so till then, you take care of yourself.